Hare Krishna. Today we will be discuss the topic of did Krishna adopted devious ways to kill Karna. This is a contradiction topic. Before that, we'll do short prayers. Om Agnanatimirandasya Gnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sri Chaitanya Manobishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dati Sopadantikam Vandeham Sri Guroho Sri Utapada Kamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavamcha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunatham Nitam Tamsa Jivam Sadvedam Savadutam Bhajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakam Nitamcha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Srinavadi Pachata Deshatarne Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sri Vasadi Gauravaktaran Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Rama Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. This is the topic we are going to discuss. Did Krishna adopt devious ways to kill Karna? Now let us hear the incident of Karna's death from Mahabharata. Krishna told Arjuna, this is the war going between Pandavas and Kauravas. This is incident from Mahabharata. Karna told Arjuna, "Oh Partha, wait for a moment while I extract my veil." Karna told to Arjuna, "Oh Partha, wait for a moment while I extract my veil. Do not cherish thoughts entertained only by cowards. I will soon stand again for battle. Remembering virtue and the codes of warfare, hold off your attack until then." Hearing this agonized plea, Krishna smiled and replied, "It is fortunate indeed that you remember virtue, O Karna. Man in distress almost always shins your providences, forgetting their own evil deeds. Where, O Karna, was your virtue when Draupadi was brought weeping in the Kurud assembly? Where was it when Yudhishthira was robbed of his kingdom? When he asked for it to be returned after spending his promised 13 years in exile, did your virtue suggest that it be returned? Was it virtue that considered to set fire to the wax house in Varnavat? Did virtue urge you to laughingly say, Draupadi, "O lady, choose another husband"? Was it that the same virtue that ordered Dussasana to strip her naked? When you and 6 other brave heroes surrendered the boy Abhimanyu, did virtue then enter your mind? Karna's head fell and he made no reply. Krishna continued, "If it was virtue acting on all these occasions, then do not waste your time summoning it now. You wish us to practice piety today, but you will not escape with your life. After vanquishing you and all their other enemies, the virtue Pandavas will regain their kingdom." In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says that he is the best cheater among all cheaters. If Lord Sri Krishna wanted, he could have ended the whole Kurukshetra battle by killing all warriors in one stroke using his Sudarshan disc. The demoniac think that they can put Lord's devotees in trouble, but Lord gives them what is due appropriately and defeats their nefarious plans. For those who try to cheat Krishna, Lord says, "Yutam chalayatam asmi." I am the best among the cheaters. Duryodhana and company try to cheat the innocent devotees. The Pandavas, Lord retaliated with the blow by making Arjuna the instrument. But when Lord cheats, his cheating is also absolute. Vamanadev apparently cheated Bali Maharaj in a superficial sense, but he achieved the topmost position of becoming a devotee of the Lord by that act of Lord. So in summary, We have seen this is one of the quality of Krishna we can see here in this particular article. Krishna can cheat. Krishna can do lies. What is the problem? Dyutam Asachalatam. He is a cheater among all the cheaters, best cheaters. He knows how to cheat also people. But his cheating is transcendental. He is not like mundane. So when Krishna told to Karna all these details of virtue, and is also taught now he is going to finish him, but through the hands of Arjuna. So this way we can understand Krishna adopted devious ways to kill Karna only for the sake of showing his the quality of cheater among the best cheaters, and also to establish the virtue of Arjuna. These are all transcendental platform, so we cannot imitate these activities, but we just follow simply in the footsteps of Sri Krishna. So this is how we have to understand the whole history of Mahabharata, of Karna and Krishna and Arjuna during the situation and details. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.